Hello, my name is Andrew and I'm a project manager at Equix. The purpose of this video is to explain what it is that we're doing and why we might need to gain access to your property. The most common thing you'll see Equix doing in this area is inspecting the sewer line for crossbores. In our case, a crossbore occurs when a directional drill machine bores a utility through a sewer lateral. If this were to occur to a power line or a fiber optic conduit, it will most likely be noticeable instantly. However, when this happens to a sewer line, it most likely will only be caught if the sewer starts backing up, at which point the homeowner will call a plumber and the plumber will find it by running a camera through the drain. The way we find these crossbores is primarily through a method we call lateral launching. Lateral launching is essentially driving an ROV with cameras on board through the sewer main that extend up into each home's sewer lateral. This large clear pipe represents the sewer main. These sewer mains are accessible through the manholes you see in the street, or in Houston they're usually in the utility easements that run along the back fence line, typically running even along with the telephone poles. This smaller diameter pipe represents the homeowner's sewer lateral. The lateral is the sewer line that runs from the house to the sewer main, and eventually the main leads to the treatment facility. Our team will drive the camera through the main and then launch up into the lateral and continue until it reaches the house. If there are no crossbores, we pull the camera back and then drive up to the next one. If there is a crossbore, our team will need to locate it, mark it, and send a report to the drilling company to have it fixed promptly. If, for some reason, the lateral camera is unable to make it all the way to the house, then a secondary method of inspection is needed. This secondary method is called push cam. That is when our operators will need to gain access to the cleanout, which is an access point to the lateral, in order to run a camera from the surface towards the main. The final method is called hydro excavation, where our teams will need to locate the gas and sewer potentially cross and carefully expose the crossing by digging to ensure that the sewer wasn't bored through. Homeowners often question why our vehicles are parked outside their house. The answer is, inside the trucks is all the machinery required for the operation of the camera, as well as an office, from where our teams perform the inspections. If the crew isn't parked over the top of a manhole, they are likely parked outside of a house where there is a manhole in the backyard that they need to access. With inspections comes thorough documentation. Our crews are required to carefully document every step of the process to ensure that nothing was missed. This can be very time-consuming, and seeing an operator inside on the computer for an extended period of time is often misinterpreted as slacking off, when in reality, they are planning inspections and reviewing videos. For more information about Equix or to apply, please visit our website at equixinc.com.